Hey there, future secondary school teacher job seekers. Are you gearing up for the upcoming SST Public Service Commission test? Well, I've got something exciting for you. In this video, I'll be dishing out some multiple choice questions and mixes, focusing on cells, a fundamental unit of life. These mixes will come in handy as you prep for your examination. So grab your notebooks, sharpen your pencils, and let's dive into the world of cells together. Question 1 is smallest unit controlling all activities of life is called. The answer is cell. The smallest unit controlling all life activities is the cell. Cells are the basic structural and functional units of life. Question 2 is cell was discovered by whom? The answer is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665 while examining cork under a microscope, initiating the understanding of the basic unit of life. Question 3 is, nucleus was discovered by? The answer is Robert Brown. The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831 while studying plant cells. He observed a structure within the cells called the nucleus. Question 4 is cell theory was put forth by? The answer is Matthias Schleiden. The cell theory was formulated by Matthias Schleiden, Theodor Schwann, and Rudolf Virchow. Schleiden and Schwann proposed the initial principles in the 1830s, stating that all living organisms are composed of cells, and Virchow later added that cells arise from pre-existing cells. Question 5 is the basic part of the cell is considered as? The answer is plasma membrane. The basic part of a cell is considered to be the plasma membrane. This membrane encloses the cell, separating its internal environment from the external surroundings and regulating the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Question 6 is according to the Abiogonians' theory, living things are formed from? The answer is non-living things. According to the Abiogonians' theory, living things are thought to have originated from non-living matter or simple organic compounds through natural processes over a long period. Question 7 is Virchow's hypothesis was supported by? The answer is Louis Pasteur supported Virchow's hypothesis with his experiments demonstrating that cells arise only from pre-existing cells, thus confirming the principle of biogenesis. Question 8 is according to cell theory, new cells are formed from? The answer is pre-existing cells. According to the cell theory, new cells are formed from pre-existing cells through a process called cell division. Question 9 is conduction of salt and water is provided by? The answer is xylem cells. The conduction of water and dissolved minerals is primarily facilitated by xylem cells in plants. However, the movement of salt ions is regulated by ion transporters and channels present in various cells, not specifically by xylem cells. Question 10 is in plants, translocation of food is provided by? The answer is phloem cells. In plants, the phloem primarily facilitates the translocation of food, such as sugars and nutrients. Phloem cells transport these organic compounds produced in the leaves to other parts of the plant for growth and storage. Thanks for watching. Please support us by subscribing.